welcome to Make It Monday. My name is Leslie and I am the leader of the Reading Safari and Stream programs for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to be making a glittery pine cone. So in order to do that, you will need these things. First thing you will need is obviously a pine cone, and you can find these very easily outside. You will need some glitter. I have some small packages here. I haven't yet decided what colors to use, but you can use whatever color you want. You will need glue and a little cup to pour the glue into, and a paintbrush of some kind. Perhaps a pair of scissors. I'm going to need them to open my glitter, but you might not need that. And an old box that you're going to use to hold the pine cone when you put the glitter on. And also, I think an old towel is useful too. I've put all my materials on this one just to kind of help catch any drips of glue. So grab those things and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is take your glue and pour it into your cup, because we are going to paint the glue onto the pine cone. So take your paintbrush and dip it into the glue, and then you're going to paint onto all these little parts of the pine cone. You're just going to keep adding glue and adding. I've got my pine cone now completely covered in glue, and it's worth noting that you probably don't have to coat this whole thing. You could probably just do like the tip like that in glue. It probably doesn't need to be the whole surface, but I did that anyway because that's me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our pine cone and place it in our box. And the box is, you'll need some kind of surface because glitter is super messy, as you know, and it will get everywhere, and this is a way to contain it. So I'm going to start with red glitter here and cutting it open, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over my pine cone and lift it up and by the stem and add. Okay, so that's enough red because I want to add some other colors. I want to definitely add silver. I'm going to open that up, and here comes my cat. She's super curious about what's going on, as they are. Okay, put some green on there. Get it. Sure, I get it on these bottom parts too, so. But see how we have right here, we've got our pine cone looking so festive. I have 3 more colors. I'm considering adding more, but I don't know if I want to because I really like the way this looks. So that is how you make a glittery pine cone. You just take the pine cone, spread on the glue, and then sprinkle the glitter, and make sure you do it over a box because look at this box right here. It's full of glitter, so you need something to catch all that. Anyway, I did decide to add on more colors. This is basically an explosion of color because I love it. But you can do yours any way you want. You're only limited by your imagination. So if you even wanted to, you could add some beads on here. It really is whatever you want it to be, but I think this, as it is like a perfect kind of decoration for maybe your mantle. Just make sure that you let it dry first, and that way the glitter doesn't falling everywhere, because we all know how moms and dads love to clean up their kids' glitter. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Make It Monday, and I will see you next time.